Are you an IT team looking to improve your workflows and increase productivity? Well, watch this video to stay current with all the ways you can leverage automation in your IT processes. Learn how automation can help you build better and more efficient workflows with minimal effort. We'll look at the different types of automation available and then discuss how to select the right one for your IT team's needs. Finally, I'll show you how to get started with automating your workflows so you can quickly see results.
Visualize your entire workflow by adjusting document access permissions and routing with the airSlate Workflow Builder. To begin, choose the flow or template you're working on or create a new one. After you've finished customizing the documents, start visualizing your workflow. Add and configure the essential workflow elements, steps, branches, and bots. Start by customizing Recipient 1. Simply click the gear button next to it and rename it for your convenience. To adjust the access permissions for the document, select the gear button next to each document. When finished, click Apply. Then, reassign fillable fields to the step. Click Assign Fields below each document and tick the required fields or select all fields required instead. When done, click Assign to Step. Tick Revoke Access to disable access to your document when it's completed. After this, assign recipients to the step. You can add recipients from your address book, enter their emails, route them automatically by connecting to your CRM system, or choose a current user. You may also customize a notification message. If necessary, set up the execution conditions. For Recipient 1, the conditions are set to occur always by default, but you may choose one or several conditions that are required for this particular step to execute. Go through the advanced settings if you want to create custom tags, enable email notifications and reminders, redirect recipients, and many more things. Once done, click Apply. You may add and configure as many steps as you need using the same method. Want to develop new skills and gain recognition? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg on what airSlate is capable of. Want to try it yourself? Start your free trial right now, and no worries, you can cancel at any time.